आनी आतां पुराय खबरो. म्हादय प्रस्नाचेर मुखेलमंत्री लक्ष दवरून आसा आनी केंद्र सरकारा कडसून सकारात्मक जापेची आमी वाट पळयता अशें मंत्री फिलीप नेरी हांणी सांगलां. केस ग्रीन ट्रायब्युनला मुखार आसतना म्हादयचें उदक वळोवचें न्हय अशें ते मुखार म्हणटात. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Because CM office is monitoring on Madai. CM office is monitoring on Madai issue day to day research, and he has given already statement that he expect positive reply from central minister. We have demanded that, and it is our prayer also before the Supreme Court. आम्ही petition घातला पडे तेजेर आमचो prayer आहा की Goa officials or representative of Goa has to be allowed to oversee their progress, which may be legally or illegally, because it is related to both the states. What was the wish, and I hope that central government will be aware of apprehension and the fear of state of Goa, people of Goa. Before that, they will put this issue at rest. They can't take this issue casually. I'm not going to that letter or that, but I have confidence and hope that the same minister will solve our problem. That's all. I'm only concerned about the state interest, that our waters should not be diverted. When the case is before tribunal, the references are before tribunal and before the Supreme Court. All the three states has disagreed with the award. Number one, even Karnataka must have not thought of asking permission, asking letters. First of all three states has disagreed with the award. And now it is a contradiction on the part of Karnataka to ask permissions on the same award or the same terms of reference. That's why it's really a confusion matter. So minister will clarify it.